my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine with your home. In the previous class, we have learned the first chapter is the gift. Today, I will teach you the second poem is a child's hymn. Before we start the unit, let us know some introductory part about this unit. Dear students, a hymn is a type of song, right? Usually religious, specifically written for the purpose. Prayer, adorations or prayer, and typically addresses deity or deities or to a prominent figure or personification. Isn't it, dears? Yes. God made the all world for the delight of human beings, right? We could see His goodness everywhere in the world. His concern for us is awareness of our need, right, dears? It is all things of God made. Sometimes God will give us exactly what do you wanted. Just assure you it not all at what do you needed by God. Dear, in this lesson you will learn about a child's hymn. It is the poem, second poem of a child's hymn. Okay, dears? Before we start the poem, you know some author. Okay, this poem written by Cicely Frances Alexander. Okay, she was a female poet, Cicely Frances Alexander. About the author, she was an Anglo-Irish hymn writer and poet. Already I told hymn is a part of song. She was born in April 1818, Dublin, Ireland. She was died on 12th October 1895. She was died on the place of Londonderry Kingdom. This is all about author. Okay, dears? Now, I will sing a poem. You also sing with me. Are you sing with me? Ready? Yes. We will start now. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the God made them all. Each little flowers that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, He made their glowing colors and He made their teeny wings. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning, that brightness up the sky. The cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, He made them everyone. He made them everyone. This poem written by C.F. Alexander. C.F. means Cicely Frances Alexander. You also sing this poem, practice in your home. Okay, dears? Yes. Now, I will read and explain the poem. Okay, all of you listen carefully. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. Here is a poet asked about the nature. All things means ella vastugalu. It's a looking like very beautiful. Dear students, you go outside and stand, see the outside all of the nature. It's a looking like very beautiful. Isn't it, dears? Yes. All creatures great and small. Great means here very big creatures. Okay, Srishtikarta, all things. Great ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. You look like an elephant, dears. How is it, elephant? It's so big, isn't it? Yes, that's a great and small. So, small creatures means ants, insects, and also insects, mosquitoes. These are all small creatures, isn't it? Yes. All things wise and wonderful. Here, dears, looking like a very wonderful. All things in the nature looking very, very wonderful. The Lord God made them all. These all things made by God. You all the made? No. Your parents all the made? No. I only made? No. These are all things made by God. Right, dears? Yes. Each little flowers that opens, each little flowers, send flowers opens early in the morning. You see, children? Yes, all birds are open the early in the morning, open that flowers. Each little bird that sings early in the morning, you observe, all birds sings a song, isn't it? Or each little birds that sings, ಸಣ್ಣ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? All things made by God. Okay. He made their glowing colors. He here refers to God. Isn't it, dears? Yes. He made their glowing colors. All colors in our nature, right? So, he made their glowing colors. He made their tinny wings. Birds have wings, isn't it, dears? Yes. These wings also made by God. The purple-headed mountains in our nature have hills, isn't it? So, purple-headed mountains. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳು? That is the purple-headed mountains. The river running by. ನದಿಗಳು ಹರಿತಾ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳು ನೀಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ, ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ? ಅದು ನೀಲಿ ಕಾಣತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾರು? ದೇವರು. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by. The sunset and the morning. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸನ್ರೈಸ್. Sunset and sunset. These are all made by God. The brightness of the sky. Brightness of the sky. It is also made by God. These all about nature. Okay, dears? The cold wind in the winter. Winter seasons. Seasons have winter season, summer seasons, autumn season. These are all seasons. Cold wind in the winter season. Winter season ಅಂದರೆ ಚಳಿಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ತಣ್ಣನೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಓಕೆ. The pleasant summer sun. The pleasant summer sun. ಇದು ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕು ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್. ದ ರೈಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. God made all things, okay, all things bright and beautiful. All the creatures made them only God. Okay, dears? So, in this poet narrated about nature. Okay, so here God made all things. He made the summer season, winter season, and also purple-headed mountains, the river running, and also tinny wings, glowing colors, opens, okay, flowers that opens in the early morning, and also little birds singing the song. So all creatures, great and small. Great means here big. Human beings also great, isn't it? And also small creatures means in small insects, small ants, small mosquitoes. These are all creatures of small. Okay, and also poet about the very beautiful and wonderful of nature. Got it, dears? Yes. It is the end of this poem. Hope you all understood, students. In the next class, I will give you the notes. Thank you.